Hi everybody, my name is Chris and I'm here to show you how easy it is to install the Norse brand Shutterup latches for window protection. First thing we're going to do here is take measurements of our window. Again, this is for a surface mounted application. Now what we're going to do is put our sheet of plywood up so that we can get where the hooks need to be with the plywood to the window frame. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now that the hardware is on, you can take these out of storage. Come storm time, you hang it, you lock it, you're done. So easy, anyone can do it. And for flush mounted applications, that is where your plywood is within your window frame. You can also use the Shutterup latch. Hang it, lock it,